What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we have some upgrades for the Losi Micro B. First, let me start this video out by giving thank you to GNCRC for sponsoring this video. Without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video. I got this package and I started to open it, and I noticed it was the wrong package for the video that I was doing because I got some other videos that are coming up about the new exciting thing I was telling you guys about. But let's just go ahead and get into it. I opened it and I glanced in there. I didn't take everything out, but I want to show you guys what I had. First, we'll start here. No particular order. This is a set of Spindles. Next, we have a set of caster blocks. We have a set of shocks. We have a set of carbon front shock towers, a set of front suspension arms, a set of adjustable turnbuckles, a set of rear hubs, and all those parts are by Nexx Racing. I'll make sure I have links below for all these parts as well, guys. This is a mount for a servo and aluminum servo horn by Torq as well. And we have the Torq servo. This is the TCM 1001. This servo is capable of about 36 ounces on 2S, which is what we'll be operating on. It has titanium gears, it's a cordless motor, and it only weighs 7 grams. As I stated before, I have links below to all these parts. Make sure you stay tuned because we're gonna go ahead and get all the parts put onto this Micro B. Okay, so we have all the parts installed. We did install everything except the aluminum arms, and I didn't do that because I didn't have the full set, but I'm probably gonna end up getting the whole set and we'll go ahead and get those installed. When I tell you these parts screen quality, I mean, they absolutely screen quality, and they really look really good. One issue that I normally have with aluminum parts, they don't fit as well. Bearings fit like a glove. When you put them in, you do have to put a little slight pressure on it. Tolerances have to be like almost perfect because I mean, they go in so well. That's a lot of problems that you have with some of your other brands. They don't make good quality parts and the tolerances are really off. When you go to put these things together, it's either like real sloppy or they don't fit at all. But when I tell you perfect, this is perfect. All 4 parts, the bearings went right into them. The screws fit perfectly. The links, once you get them in, that adjustability is perfect. It's fast, it's really fast. Super strong, super fast, really responsive. This is my first part by Torq servos, but I would definitely get some more parts by them. No problem. I wouldn't think twice about those servos. Same way with Nexx. I've had a couple parts, but they were for my Mini Z. When I tell you they fit perfectly, I mean they fit perfectly. I hadn't had any aluminum parts in a while that fit this well, because normally every time I get some aluminum parts, there's always some type of issue. Something I might have to grind down a little bit, something I might have to sand a little bit, but with this, no problem. Shout out once again to GNCRC. I'm also gonna put some links below, guys, to everything that I did put on this car. And the one part that I did not put on there, I'll put a link to that as well, front and rear. What would you guys like to see me do to this next? Let me know down below in the comments. If you're not subbed to the channel, go ahead and sub to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button for me, guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, guys. Shout out once again to GNCRC. Shout out to you guys. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.